What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is July 7th, 2022, and apparently Bitmain don't care about no proof of stake because they just launched a new Antminer E9. It's a 2.4 gigahash ASIC that mines Ethereum, and they just launched it, and Ethereum's about to go proof of stake. So maybe they know something. Or maybe they're just trying to sell off some hardware. Who knows? But let's jump right into this article and take a look at it. So Bitmain launches the 2400 megahash or 2.4 gigahash E9 Ethereum miner ahead of the merge. On July 6th, the crypto mining rig manufacturer Bitmain announced the launch of the highly anticipated Antminer E9 after revealing the device on April 15th, 2021. This machine boasts speeds of up to 2.4 gigahash per second, and Bitmain is selling the device for $9,999 per unit. Bitmain launches the Antminer E9 for $4.17 per megahash. It's pretty low, but is it worth it? So, 447 days after revealing the Antminer E9, Bitmain has launched the product. The company announced the launch on July 6th, 2022, so yesterday, and said the Antminer E9 is equipped with a hash rate of 2400 megahash, and that runs at 1920 watts, so just under 2000 watts. That's very, very efficient. The power efficiency is 0.8 joules per megahash, however that's figured up. Anyway, the E9 is an advanced Ethereum miner which enhances ETH/ETC mining operations, quote unquote. The new Antminer E9 leverages the consensus algorithm ETH hash and 2400 megahashes of hash power, equal to 2.4 gigahashes at $9,999 per unit. They're kind of repeating themselves here. Interested buyers can purchase the Antminer E9 with Bitcoin, USDC, and Tether, USDT, stemming from Ethereum and Tron. Oh, these are tokens stemming from Ethereum and Tron. Okay. There's a maximum of 5 units per account that can purchase the new Antminer, according to the website. The new Antminer E9 can get an estimated profit of about $37.98 per day, with an electrical cost of around 12 cents per kilowatt hour, pretty standard in the US, and using today's Ether exchange rates. The machine outpaces the top 2 ETH hash compatible competitors, which includes Innosilicon's A11 Pro ETH miner with 1500 megahash and A10 Pro ETH miner with 750 megahash. The Bitmain's latest E9 comes at a time when Ethereum's proof of work, or POW, mining is nearing the end of the road with the merge. Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. While the merge has been delayed on multiple occasions, ETH developer Tim Bako said he strongly suggests not investing more in mining equipment at this point. While Beko, I'm probably butchering that, said that statement in April, Ethereum's hash rate tapped an all-time high on June 4th, 2022, at block height 14,902,285, when the hash rate exceeded 1.32 petahash per second. When the merge takes place, the Ethereum network will transition fully to a proof-of-stake system rather than proof-of-work. Currently, ETH miners can still mine Ether, but there's also a parallel blockchain called Beacon Chain, which runs a proof-of-stake system. So that didn't do a good job of explaining that. Maybe they will in this sentence. So I'll let them continue onwards. Anyway, after the merge, miners will not be able to mine Ethereum going forward, but the miners can mine the Ethereum Classic network. It's ETC. Many expect the current hash rate that's dedicated to ETH today will transition over to ETC network following the merge. Yes, I will imagine that probably most of the ETH hash ASICs will go to ETC. If profitability falls much further on ETC, I imagine GPUs will probably go to other altcoins, so they're not going to go to ETC. It's kind of makes you wonder, are they just... There's always been theories like Bitmain's already had these, and they've had them for months. They've already talked about it months ago. They've been mining on them, and then now they're just trying to shove them out the door and sell them off for what they can get. Is it a good idea to buy one? Will it make its money back? Actually, let's go over to ASIC miner value here. Let's see. So this is asicminervalue.com, and if we look in a month, it'll make $1,200. So July, August, September. So I think by September we should be proof of stake. Obviously, it could get delayed again, but you're looking, unless something crazy happens, you'd barely pay off half of the miner. And in my opinion, once this thing goes to ETC, the value of this miner will go down significantly. It is very efficient. The fact that it only burns 1900 watts is nice, but ETC's profitability is low, and I imagine it's going to go significantly lower once it gets hammered from all the people switching over. So, is this a good buy? No. But I mean, are GPUs a good buy right now? I'd say they're a better buy than this, but I'm not gonna say don't buy it. Just do your homework. This will not run on a standard 110-volt outlet because you can't technically supply it like on a 15 amp breaker. Maybe a 20 amp breaker would do it. Hold on, let's see here. Would a 20 amp breaker carry 1900 watts? So 20 times 110, 2200 watts at 100%, and then divide that by 0.80 for 80% load. So no, reliably a 20 amp breaker would not even hold this. So you would have to put in a dedicated 240 volt line. I imagine these power supplies are 240 volts. So yeah, 110 wouldn't run it anyway. But yeah, there she is, Antminer E9. I mean, a year would make 15,000 at current ETH rates, so that's pretty good. But yeah, see, we wanted it back there when it was doing like $100 a day. Now it's low. So I don't know. Only time will tell. If you, a viewer, are buying an Antminer E9, comment down below. I'd love to hear your feedback, that kind of thing. I don't have any Ethereum ASICs. I only have like Litecoin, Doge ASICs. I had a Bitcoin ASIC. But yeah, I know there are some people with like the smaller Antminer Ethereum ASICs, and they've done really good on them. But that's due to the fact that Ethereum and the mining market in general has done really good over like the past year. So maybe it's just too little, too late. Bitmain. I can't imagine these are flying off the shelves. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. Have a good night. Peace. All that kind of stuff. We will be announcing the live stream giveaway here probably in the next couple days. There's a couple things going on that are unforeseen in my work schedule, so I don't want to dedicate like a 6, 8, some super long live stream if I can't actually sit here and do it and participate with you guys. So yeah, thanks for that. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.